At this press conference held in downtown Chilliwack, BC Premier David Eby joined community leaders to announce the new $10 million Indigenous Justice Centre. This will be the 5th Indigenous centre the province has opened across BC.
Whenever something has been done that creates harm, there's an obligation to make it right. And this effort to support First Nations, the Justice Council, and creating a Justice Centre here in Chilliwack is a positive first step in making things right.
Corey Wilson is the chair of the First Nations Justice Council. She says this centre is a positive step in reforming justice and its interaction with Indigenous people.
It will be the beginning of talking about cultural competencies for policing and figuring out how we can design something that actually leads to change and leads to not only increasing general foundational overall knowledge, but actually leads to systemic change.
Although Indigenous people make up 5% of the population in BC, they make up 30% of the people who are incarcerated in BC. Premier David Eby is confident this partnership with the First Nations Justice Council will help remove barriers.
The core of it is that we want these centres to be successful in the way that the First Nations Justice Council does, that it provides meaningful change, an opportunity for change in people's lives that are in contact with the justice system so that they can rebuild and get out of contact with the justice system, rebuild their lives in a healthy way going forward, which is going to benefit all of us.
The new centres will give clients direct access to culturally appropriate information, legal advice, and support as they navigate their way through the court process, and aims to break the cycle of an overrepresented population of Indigenous people who are incarcerated.
I'm excited, our chiefs are excited, our Queequelstom leaders and staff are excited to be able to collaborate and look for ways to create safer communities for all of us, to restore balance, and to make things right.
Tina House, APTN National News, Chilliwack.